Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Gusto natin i-develop at ipakita ho ang ganda ho ng Pilipinas. Gusto nyo bang mamangha sa ganda ng mga ancestral house sa kanlurang bahagi po ng Visayas? So parang ano po no?
Oo.
Okay naman mag-island hopping na may kasamang food trip. Naku,
sama ko
gusto
dyan.
nyo sumama dyan. Ito po sa probinsya ho ng Iloilo. Kung saan yan? Baka alam na ho ninyo. Panuorin na lang natin.
This Sunday, love wins sa I Travel Pinas as we tug the strings of the heart of Panay. Fall in love right in the city of love, Iloilo. Discover romance as we take you to the houses of the Alta Sociedad of Haro, Iloilo.
They are actually real houses of the old rich of Iloilo. The rich Ilonggos of the past were really living in mansions and palatial homes, should I say. They were the original rich of Western Visayas.
Ipinagmamalaki ng mga Ilonggo ang Casa Marikit, ang ancestral house at tirahan ng dating Vice-Presidente ng Pilipinas na si Fernando Lopez. Ipinangalan ang mahigit 2 siglong manor sa butihing asawa ni Lopez na si Marikit Javellana. Standing in the corner of Calle Real, matatagpuan naman ang Lizares Mansion that will surely take your breath away. Not far from here, matatagpuan ang picture-perfect mansion and Iloilo's Queen of Heritage Houses, ang Vicente Lopez Heritage House o mas kilala bilang Nelly's Garden. Pagkatapos ng mansion hopping, chillax muna sa Camilla Balay nga Bato, a 152-year-old ancestral house turned specialty restaurant. Isa sa mga most prized treasure nila ang secret recipe of awesome goodness, handed from generation to generation. At ang kanilang special ingredient, ang farm-to-table cacao turned tablilla. Para makagawa ng signature chocolate espresso, ihanda ang Camilla Tablilla, cast iron chocolatera, at batirol. Pour 1 cup of water sa chocolatera at hintayin kumulo ang tubig. Next, pour the tablilla and mix by rubbing the batirol between your palms to make froth. Ituloy ang paghalo hanggang sa matunaw ang tsokolate sa kalagyan ng gatas. Stir until it thickens. Sabi nga nila, ang love, pinaghihirapan at pinagtsatsagaan. Kaya pagkatapos ng 1.5 oras, ready to serve na ang chocolate batirol. Nothing gets better than a cup of classic chocolate batirol to sweeten up your day. Let's level up the adventure and dive deep in the island-studded northern Iloilo. First stop, ang ipinagmamalaking Bulubadjangan Island.
Welcome to Sandbar!
Fall for its perfect view of sprawling chalk white sand embraced by clear, serene waters. Explore the underwater world just a few meters from the shoreline. Ma-amaze sa makukulay na corals, mga kakaibang isda at naglalakihang clams. Feel free to have a taste of the sweet summer sun sa Agho Island. Feast your eyes sa spectacular view ng nag-aagaw na buhangin na tubig sa ganda ng buong stretch ng shifting sandbar nito. A concoction of soft and stiff articles naman ang bagong Sipol Island dahil sa pinong-pinong buhangin at solid rock formations nito. A majestic view of sand as pure as chalk dust with turquoise blue waters hitting its mighty boulders. There's so many things to discover in Iloilo. Pero hindi pwedeng makumpleto ang trip nyo sa Iloilo kung hindi nyo matitikman ang famous original batchoy ng La Paz. Fly high and find love ngayong linggo, alas 7 ng gabi sa iTravel Pinas.